Good morning, folks. Another beautiful day here in Houston, Texas. This is a little project to install a brand new gate opener, Lean Master, 1 horsepower. If you have an issue with your gate or you want to install a new gate operator in your business, on your home, feel free to call us at 832-475-6867. Also, we do garage doors, bay doors, rolling steel doors, gate operators, and residential doors. Look, that amazing machine. This machine is a Lean Master. It's a 1 HP power, and these open up to 50 feet on the gate. And this is our power installation, and also comes with warranty on it. Somebody was drinking beer last night. I don't know who was it, but we don't drink during the job. Look at this amazing machine. All jobs comes with warranty. This is our project for today here in Houston, Texas. We install those doors right here. This is shingle sheet doors, window rate. Beautiful doors, heavy duty doors. If you have any questions and you want to install those kind of doors, rolling steel, roll doors, feel free to call us. Once again, 832-475-6867. We're ready to serve you here in Houston, Texas. There you go. You have a great day.